Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be swatching and reviewing this Neon Born Pretty gel polish, and I am also going to be doing a Gel X nail set, and I'm going to be using all of these colors. So I got these gel polishes from Amazon and they are currently about $16, but of course you can also get it at the Born Pretty website. Taking a closer look at one of the bottles, they are 10 milliliters, so a pretty good size, and I think the bottles are really nice looking. The gold and black just make them look fancy and I love them so much. And I also like how there's a little area where you can see through the bottle and actually see the color. As you can see, I started swatching them in the order of the number on the bottle. And so this first one is a neon green, and I will be showing you what it looks like with just one coat and what it looks like with two coats. So on the left will be the first coat and then the right will be the second coat. When you just do one coat, it definitely looks like it's a jelly polish for some of the colors like yellow and orange, but it's not supposed to be a jelly polish. But of course, if you like jelly polish, then that might be good for you. But if you do want a full coverage nail with a solid color and not be able to see through it, you will probably have to do 2 or maybe even 3 coats. So that is something to note. They are pretty sheer, especially with just one coat. But some of the colors are not as sheer, like the pink and blue, and it is probably a little hard to make a neon color and at the same time make it really pigmented without getting it too dark. That's really the only thing I could find that I didn't like about this gel polish. Other than that, I do love these colors and they applied really nicely, and I am always impressed with the Born Pretty gel polishes. Look how pretty they are in the nail lamp. They are so bright, and here they are all together. If you are wondering, I am using the Beetles Gel X system. So I take the Beetles nail glue and apply that to the first nail and put that on my thumbnail, and then any of the nail glue that seeped through, I just clean up with a little lint-free Q-tip type thing, and then I just do a flash cure because we're going to do a full cure after all of the nails are applied. This video isn't really a Gel X tutorial, so I'm not really going into too much detail on how to do Gel X nails or anything, but I have made some videos in the past and it goes into a lot more detail on how to do it, and I plan to make more in the future, so I will definitely link some of those in the description box below and the cards. After applying all of the full cover nail tips, it is time for the nail art. So I'm starting out with painting my thumbnail and my pinky nail with the neon pink gel polish, and these 2 nails are going to stay solid, but the 3 other nails will have nail art. And then I'm taking the neon blue gel and painting the rest of the nails with that. I cannot get over how pretty these colors are, especially the pink. That is one of my favorites. I could just paint all of my nails pink and I would love them. But I did want to do a little bit of nail art just for this video. So I'm starting out with taking kind of the purplish pink gel polish and then the yellow gel polish and putting that on my nail art palette. I'm going to be doing kind of an abstract design, so I'm taking the first color, and I don't know about you guys, but I like doing nail art with my dotting tool. I just feel like sometimes I have more control with the dotting tool rather than a brush, so I kind of formed the curvy shape that I wanted with the dotting tool, and then I filled the rest in using a detailing brush. And then I'm taking the yellow gel polish and doing the same exact thing, except on the other side of the nail. And I just think these colors look so gorgeous together. And I'm going to be using this Beetles top coat for all of the nails once they're done. For the middle fingernail, I am taking the green gel polish and the pink that we used on the thumb and pinky nail, and it's going to be kind of a similar design to the last one, except one color is going to be on the bottom of the nail and then the other color will be on the top of the nail. I feel like this nail design is great for beginners. It's super easy and you can just take whatever colors you want and just kind of do random shapes on your nail, and it looks so cool. Finally, for the ring fingernail, the only other color we have not used is the orange. So I'm going to be using the orange on that nail, and then I'm going to be using the pinkish purple color again. And the orange color was the only color that I felt like I had to do 2 coats on because it was really see-through with the blue being in the background. But basically, I'm just doing the same exact design I did for my index fingernail. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did like this video. And I also wanted to thank you for over 400 subscribers now. I can't even believe that. That is just so cool, and I am excited to keep on growing this channel. But yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.